Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Lisa Mitrakin, that's my lovely assistant Shelby, and we are super excited to invite you to my brand new mini course called Textures. The name speaks for itself. I designed this page of carnival masks specifically for the occasion so that I can demonstrate as many different amazing textures as is humanly possible on a single page. So in this mini course, I will teach you how to create all sorts of porcelain effects, porcelain of different colors, cracked porcelain, smooth porcelain, shiny porcelain. We'll do fabrics, metallic fabrics, soft fabrics, and silky fabrics. We'll do actual silk and satin and velvet. We will also practice coloring all sorts of different cords and strings and ribbons and tassels, and we'll do brass bells. We will also do golden inlays, reflective surfaces, and matte surfaces. It is packed with all sorts of fun textures. Oh, and enamel. I forgot to mention enamel. That's like a really big part of the first mask. We will also do two-tone reflective enamel with a gold inlay. As the name suggests, this is a mini course, meaning that it's shorter than my full-length programs and, of course, more affordable. So do swing by and check it out. The link to the course is in the video description. It's probably popping up somewhere on the screen as well. All of my courses and all of my mini courses in the Academy have free previews, so you don't have to jump into anything blindfolded. Go ahead, swing by, check out the free preview, and if you like what you see, I'll see you in class. Bye!